Okay, so today we are going to talk about metric conversions. Okay, and with metric conversions, we start with a base unit. And the base unit we're going to use is meters. You can use liters, you can use grams, seconds, any of those are fine base units, but we're going to work with meters. If we're going to go to the right and get smaller, the first one we're going to come to is deci, D-E-C-I, okay? Like decimeter, small d, small m. Second, we're going to come to centi, like centimeter. Last one we're going to come to is milli, as in millimeter, okay? If we're going to move to the left and get larger, the first one we come to from the base unit is deca, all right? And deca can be written either with a capital D and then your base unit, or a DA and then the base unit, okay? Next one we come to is hecto, as in a hectometer. And the last one, the most more familiar, is kilo, as in a kilometer. Okay, so if we were to put numbers to these, our base unit is going to be 1. Okay, and all of these are a power of 10. They all move based on powers of 10. So a decimeter is 1/10 of a meter. The centimeter is 1/100th of a meter. And the millimeter, or the milli, is 1/1000th. Okay, so a millimeter, there are 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter. If we go the other way, there are 10 decameters in, 10 meters in 1 decameter. There are 100 meters in 1 hectometer, and there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. Okay, so here's all of your numbers. All right. Now, the way we use this to convert, okay, let's say that we had, let's move that up. So let's say that we had 620 milligrams. Okay, so we're starting with milli right here. And we want to go, it asks for decagrams right here. Okay, so we need to figure out where we are going to start. We're going to start with what they've given us right here. And we're going to end right here with decameters. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 places away from each other. So we're going to take our decimal, which is right here, and we're going to move it to the left, because that's the direction that we moved, 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And here's our new decimal place. If there's an empty space, you just throw a 0 in there. All right, so our answer is 0.0620 decagrams. Okay, let's do another one. Let's start with 15 liters. And we want to know how many milliliters we have. Okay, so if we go back up, we're going to start with our base unit. We'll use a different color. We're going to start with our base unit right here, meters. And we want to go to milliliters right there. So we're going to move 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So we're going to take our decimal right here, and we're going to move it 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. Add zeros, and we end up with 15,000 milliliters. Okay, Now, what if we start with a number that's less than 1? Okay, if we start with a number that's less than 1, so if we start with 0.05 meters, then we want to know how many centimeters that is. Okay, we're going to go back up, use a different color. All right, we're going to start with meters right here. And we want to go to centimeters right here. We're going to go 2 places to the right. So we're going to take our decimal right here, 2 places to the right. And our new number is just 5. So 5 centimeters is equal to 0.05 meters. Okay? Let's do one more example. Let's start with 19.73 hectoliters, and we want to know how many deciliters that is. The small d is deciliters. Okay, so we're going to go from hecto to deci. So we're going to go up here. Hecto is right here. Deci is right here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. So we're going to move our decimal 1, 2, 3 places to the right. Add our 0 in for the empty space, and our answer is 19,730 deciliters. Okay, and that's it. That's all the conversions you need to know. You only have to know from kilo to milli. Okay, the only ones that might be completely new to you are your deca and your hecto. Okay, everything else you probably have heard of before.